So, that motherfuckers thought I wasn't gonna do it. I am gonna do it though. So what I'm doing today is coding Conway's Game of Life, but in 3D. So, if you haven't seen the video that I did on Conway's Game of Life, you can kind of go fuck yourself. But if you were curious, if you don't know how Conway's Game of Life works, let me just find it real quick. Oh, what the? Conway's Game of Life. I should have had this already here, but that will okay. Well, this is the actual site, but the Wikipedia article. Essentially, these are the rules, and so if you want to pause the video to find it, you can do that. I'm gonna just proceed onwards. So essentially, I'm just transforming this into 3D. I already have the scripts here, the two scripts that I wrote in the previous video, and I'm gonna just have to modify them into 3D. So first thing I'm gonna do is change the namespace to Conway 3D, and go ahead and change that over here as well. Second thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change up how this works a little bit, because what I want to do is have it so that there is like states to it. So that, or well, like okay, I'll just show you what I mean. I'm gonna use an enum for this. So I'm gonna make a C# script called cell state. So we're gonna make this cell state script and open it. We got this. So I'm going to delete literally all of this. And the only thing I'm going to do is do namespace Conway 3D. And then I'm going to make this an enum called cell state. And then I'm going to do alive, dead, and then null. And you'll see why I have to do the null once I do it, because yeah. So then in the state, instead of doing a public integer, we just do a public cell state. And this doesn't really. No type cell state is less simple than field cell dot state. Oh, okay. I think I screwed up here. Essentially, what I can do. Well, there's no cell. It's less accessible. Oh, I think I have to do public enum. Public num. Yeah, there we go. And then what I can do is have it so that, well, what I could do is, I guess I can just int, or I guess I could do the public so state random state int. Oh, I don't even need to do that. I could just have it in here. So essentially, take a random number, so random. So essentially, I can just copy what I have here because I have it here. It's a random.range. And so I want to do 3 because I have 0, 1, and 2. So random. So I'm going to make an integer called index, and then 0 to 3, and then essentially if index equals, or I guess I can just do a switch statement. Which the switch on is index. The default will just be break. There's none. Oh, I guess I could do an error for this. Debug.log error unknown set invalid index provided. Oh, I don't think that's gonna happen, but in case 0, we will return cell state dot alive. So I think that's what I had it before. Did I? I honestly don't remember what I had it as, but I'm just gonna assume that that's what I had it as. So then case 1 will be dead, and case that, and then the last case will just be the null case. So for this, instead of break, actually, we'll just return the null, I guess. Or I guess I can just return the null state anyway. So I guess So I guess it's gonna be the default case. So the default case will just be null anyway. So actually, if it's not dead or alive, it's just null. So that's the random state here. That. You switch expression. Oh, it's just saying that this is a little bit cleaner to do. It's not like you can't do this, but I mean, also the comma there wasn't necessary because that's the end of it. So, but essentially, now that I've got this, what I can do, first of all, save this. And instead of doing this, we just do cell dot random state. So that's what the state of the cell will be. So and then here again, I could just do switch. I mean, there's a couple ways you can do it. This is kind of sloppy the way I did it here. Switch. Can I just do cell dot state? Or oh no, it does let me do that. Okay. So in the case, first case is cell state dot alive. We want to do. I think. Wait. So actually, I'm able to do for this because I actually don't remember what I did. This is why you do this. Also, I just did a or no. I'll just do this for now. So a state. So any life cell with fewer than 2 neighbors dies. So the life cell 2 or 3 stays alive. Any life cell with 3 live neighbors dies. So is it by overpopulation? Any dead cell with exactly 3 live neighbors becomes a live cell. As if by reproduction. So what I have here is that if cell numbers is 3, the cell state should be the second one, which is dead. Okay. So actually, if oh no, yeah, okay. Oh yeah, if it's alive, if cell state is 0, if neighbors is 3, and cells let's say equals cell state dot dead in the break. And the second case is if it's dead, and if the amount of neighbors is a little bit different, then cell states will instead be, we change this to be back alive. And then the default case will just be the stuff here. Okay. Then 1, 2, change it to default. Will just be this, and instead of continuing, we just do break essentially. Or well, it would be continue. I guess it's technically. I have to say input continue. I guess yeah. Although. Oh, yeah. You're right. Okay. And then, well, I guess at this point you want to break out of this switch. Sorry, you don't need to do continue. You just break out of the switch. And so then it's so change the cell states, and then we go. Okay, so then here, okay, so then cell at position ends up getting changed here, I think, because oh no, it doesn't get changed. It just because you get a oh yeah, so it's state. So just cell state and so not equal to dead essentially. Cell state dot. So actually, no, you don't. I didn't need to change this. I need to change this. And then this is in cell.cs. Base 6 is an error here. Oh, okay. So then, I think what I can do is do public uh, state to state to index essentially. So you pass in cell state, and then so we just do a switch uh, state, or I guess I could do put it here. Return. In fact, actually, well, it's the reverse. So return index or return state switch, and then cell state dot alive return 0. Cell state dot dead should return 1, and cell state dot null should return 2. In fact, actually, anything outside of this will be 2, so I just underscore it, and then semicolon. Then what I can do here, down here, is instead of just putting in state, we have to do state to index. Oh, okay, no, state to index. A little bit of a roundabout way to fix that, but I mean it does work. So with Control Shift S, all of that. So the way I do the namers right now, obviously, is like this. So honestly, I think I'm gonna have to. I want to do a required component type of cell state, just so that this cell state is essentially just a required field. In fact, I can even no. So then, so wherever I have vector 2, I have to change to vector 3 now. So instead of vector 2 position, it will be vector 3 position. And this will fit with this because of that. And then I need to do a cell dot transform position dot z. I'm gonna fit to actually, well, yeah. What do I do that? So a new cell with this, or new cell position being, yeah. So the cell at position, yeah, it's just been in the cell at the position here. So all vector 3s, and then in the cell grid, this actually has to be slightly changed. So this res, I'm actually going to serialize field is wrong, so we have it on the serialized field. And then okay, so then what I have to do here, I'm thinking, because with the with this, there's a new layer now, but then there's also oh, okay, yeah. So this is how I did it here. So then for this, there's now a float cell z equals cell dot position dot z. And it's red and everything, count 0. So I don't even think I needed to do that. Like, this is completely proprietary. Because it takes the res from the top anyway. So. Let's get rid of this thing I feel. So there's now a new parameter here. So I need to do what it's I think it's K that yeah, it's K plus, and then copy this all the way from here. So then float neighbor Z equals cell Z plus K. Not Korean. What the fuck? I might have accidentally. Yeah, okay. I need to Get rid of it. Also, I think in the, oh no. Yeah, so all I did was that. Alright. So then, what I want to do here is do vector 3, and then let's add on. Okay, it's less than 0, or oh, in fact, actually, no, because I have it set up a specific way here. See? So, or cell z is plus k is less than 0, or and then do the same thing here. I don't. Whoa, that's what I'm gonna do. Or cell z plus a is greater than 0 minus 1. Why is it saying that cell z is now? Cell z. Oh, did I just spell it? I didn't name it correctly. And then neighbor z. Cell z plus is yeah. So I just do that just in case, and then neighbor position. We set to the neighbor z and receive value of this vector b, and then it seems to be about correct. Okay, I need to do this. So this is essentially just the code for that. The only thing I need to think is, am I gonna keep these values for the dead or alive? Because like if you're changing the dimension from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions, it kind of fucks with it a little bit. So that's what I'm thinking. Like, will I change that how I have it there, or do I keep it? I mean, I'll keep it for now just to see if it works. So Unity will go ahead and do all this, and then I need to actually create them the cells. So I'm gonna have a cube called cell, reset the position. So that position 0. Also the camera's probably gonna need to get on Fox because there's like multiple sides, but and essentially, and then actually, I think in the main camera, I'll check this out. So then, okay, so then the cell, we want the cell, and then that should immediately, okay. Why are we not wanting to drag down? Oh, so that should have default by default. Can't add because the class cannot be found. Damn it! Hold on. I think I need to redo this. Okay, so then does the script class cannot be found? Hold on. I think I'm just an idiot. I don't actually add the enum thing onto this fucking thing. I don't know why I thought that, but I just figured. Well, yeah, because it just has this. Okay, you know what? It's fine. It fucking works. Okay. Let me. So then I'm going to go into my refabs, or I'm going to make a folder called. No, I have to make a folder called refab. So there must be an issue with the color. Oh well, because it's in the well, it grabs the material from the mesh render. I think. Spat render. Oh, there's have to be a mesh renderer now. Actually, pretty sure. Because it's not a sprite render anymore. Yeah, mesh render doesn't have color. Color would be in the material. Well, I mean, kinda, yeah. Oh, wait. No, got it. There we go. Okay, now it's on. Okay, I have to fix that shit. Yeah, I realized that I had to fix the color. So, yeah, we got our little cell here. I'm going to drag that over there. So then essentially what I can do is just, well, do it. So, duplicate. X is 1. Duplicate. X is, no, it's supposed to be like this, and so on and so forth. And then I'm gonna duplicate it until it's when it's 10 long here. So then duplicate. Okay. Those last two get duplicated again as well. Okay, so this is like one side. Now I have to do something a little bit complicated. I need to. Nope, never mind. I need to. Well, let me. Hmm, hmm. Oh, I just realized what I'm gonna have to do. Fuck. Hmm. Because it's not gonna be as simple because it'll. Because when you duplicate it, you don't really rotate it. Like, it doesn't really rotate as one object. Although, you can make it one object, I think. What I wanted to do it all. Yes. Um. I'll figure this out. So I think that's what I need. So then if I rotate this, there we go. Fucking figured it out. And now I just need to move it. But there's gonna be a little bit of something interesting here because I move it out here. You don't need to see. Oh, oops. What the fuck? Oh, here we go. I think this is where we want it. Kind of. Yeah, is it obvious what the fuck is going on here? Also, I need to fucking even it out. Oh shit! What the fuck? See, that's something I was not thinking would happen. Oh, it's because these guys positioned all sorts of fucking shit. Okay. Well, it's exactly what I wanted it to, did it? Hmm. How about like even it out? See, that's not what I wanted to do. Shit. Okay. Different plan then, or well, same plan. I just need to get it to what I wanted it. I don't know why it fucked it up. Okay, so then like this. Yeah. So now they're okay. Yeah. Okay. Actually, this would have been easier. Okay. I have an easier way to do this. Actually, like way easier. In fact. Okay. What the fucking shit? Played all of this, right? But then put all of this into a. Oh well, I have to make the game object first. Game object create anything. Walls. Fuck. Oh my god. Get in here. There we go. Then I can just duplicate this and then move it 10 over. And instead I need to do it 11 because I'm gonna see why I want it like this. So wall 1, no, wall 2, wall 3. I need to rotate 90. And then I think I need to do okay, 1 here. And then 4 would be 10. Yes, 10. So I'm gonna do it like this essentially. This is how I'm gonna do it. And then duplicate. And do this, and I think it's this. Yep, this. So this goes back over to 0, 0. Although it's fucking a little bit. That needs to be 1. So it might be a little bit screwed. I'll have to mess with the calculations. 6, and then so we got our bots here, but I want the null, all of the null tiles to be on the inside. So essentially, what I can do is duplicate this and then nulls. And on the inside, make sure that well, I'm going to make sure that the state of all of these is null. And to signify that, I'm going to I think I'll just what am I gonna do? Mesh render off, I guess. Because then I'll not do a thing here. And then I can move this down, and it's now at the bottom there. So then I can just essentially just move these. So then I can do 1, or -1. Duplicate. -2. Duplicate. Oh, no. Shh. And then kind of just go from there, really. What happened? What? Something happened here. I selected something else. The fuck? Why the fuck is that happening? I don't know what's happening. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Wait, what? What the fuck? Fucking did it weird with this. Why the fuck? It's like glitched. What? What the fuck? Actually, wait. What are you gonna do? I feel like be a -3. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Wait, why is doing that? Okay, I think I fixed it now. Okay, well now it's. Wait, what? What the why? Okay. Somehow I did something. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's like making it stupid. I don't know why this is happening, but whatever. I'll just fucking go with it and then hope that they're not like. I'm gonna just hope that that doesn't cause an issue. And if it does, well, I'm gonna not have to. I'm just gonna not worry about it really. Cause yeah, and it sounds like not my fucking problem. So wait, oh, layer. And there we go. Those are all the null ones on the inside here. Then we got each of the fucking walls. Okay, so I need to do a check here on the inside, right? Or on the and in the code here, I need to go into the grid and essentially I need to kind of tell it that if also this should this be going um oh no, okay, so then essentially um wait, wait, wait. If if so the current cells, right, so in here I'm gonna do an if cell dot state equals cell state dot null, then I'm going to just say continue because we don't need to check that. And yeah, so then that'll make it so that it doesn't do this check for the null tiles, and I also need, and then so then the right, and then so in the neighbor code I need to, so then count as 0, right? So essentially, if cell at this position isn't dead, or well, if it's not, wait, cell that's at cell position, that state is not dead. If it's alive, you add it as a neighbor. Oh, okay. But I'm gonna put an and do if cell dot cell at position neighbor position dot state is not equal to equal to cell state dot no. If it is alive, we continue. Otherwise, I don't know. Okay, so we only count the neighbors that are alive. I guess this is the amount of neighbors that are alive. Because I probably should have made that clear. So get living cell neighbors, essentially. So then I'm also going to change this to living cell neighbors. Also, this edge case probably won't even end up happening. Because that's just not going to happen. Because the way we have this set up, there's no corner. Well, I guess it technically is a corner. And it would just wrap around. And also the res of each side is 10. But the position, cause see, okay. Here's the issue, right? Cause some of them have a 1 in their column, or maybe none of them do. Sorry, wait, do none of them have a 1? Oh, wait. Well, it's just that I guess it's, we'll see. It's probably gonna break, but I mean, I'll try it. I guess. Also delete that. I'm gonna rename this son of a bitch. I put it to rename it. Save scene as Conway D and scenes save. Okay. Then I'm going to. Really, no good way to position the camera. To be honest, no good position. Oh, I guess what I can do is kind of back it up a little bit. Center it on the both sides as well, and then I'll just have to go into the scene view to play this. But let's see if this works at all. And it's not. Oh, it is laggy. So there's a could not parse state input. A bajillion of them, in fact. It's at 39 because it was calling the update 47. So it was trying to. So it was trying to update the states. But, it was doing this no matter what. Oh. Wait. Well, this actually makes sense. So else if state equal else if state is equal to 2, we want to return color dot. Is there like a color dot null? Can I just return a null color? not gonna write all the color because it's not. Oh shit. Color dot. We don't want to return a color, but we also want to return no color. So I guess what I can do is do this with a 0 on the alpha, because that way. I know, but it would just. Well. I could just do a random. Random. Or. I'd have to pull up a random color thing. I can make a random color thing. It's just unnecessary though, so I'll just like I'll debug dot log. Or actually, I guess I don't even really need to worry about this. I'll do something color dot blue or something. But like, there's no mesh rendered anyway, so it's not like it's gonna. Well, the mesh is disabled, I should say, on the mold. So, you know, so we don't have any movement going on. I don't have anything working. Let's see what's happening. It's just not changing the state. Oh, you know what? Wait, no. It should have worked. I think. Oh, I don't have a cell grid in the scene. I was also trying to get. Oh, that's awkward. So instead of doing that, okay, here I need to. Well, I have it on the main. Well, no, I have the main. Oh, it's just that, but it doesn't have anything in right. Okay. So the cells need to. This isn't. So. I can just find objects of type cell, and for each of them, assign it a random state. I think that should work. In fucking theory, and then also this as well. Find objects of type cell. This is like not confident this is gonna work, but I mean I can fucking certainly try it. If this works, then hello. Whoa! Well, it kind of worked, but it also kind of didn't work because there was a bunch of object reference access underneath stuff. At CS55 in the cell acquisition script, we're trying to call. Gotta get component and parent cell. Ooh. Yeah, no, game objects. Find. Or. I could also just get the main amount of it. Get components, cell grid. Yeah, okay. That I didn't realize I hadn't changed that. There shouldn't be a bunch of no. Oh, because. Right, no. Sorry, this has to be the same thing because the nulls are on the inside. Sorry. Okay. Oh, I guess the default could be null anyway, but I don't use it though. But I'll just put it in the case. So, and then I guess, so I guess in this, what I have to do is, cells for each. I guess if cell dot state equals cell state dot null. I just don't do this. Else do this, or I guess it will do it after. So, because what you do with what continue does is it just makes it so that it backs out of this. And if it gets past it, then that means we have a cell. We have a cell that we can annul essentially, or actually modify the state of, I should say. Oh, the fuck! It like kind of worked. Also, this is laggy. Oh man, let's stop that in its tracks. So cannot parse out cell position or invalid. Okay, this is first of all it's the square away. There's no reference exception because this is the debug one. So cell grid 72. It was called from cell grid 31. Okay, so 72 in the cell grid ends up calling cell at position. What? Cell grid 72 ends up calling cell grid 30 or cell grid 31. Get living cell neighbors. It was trying to get the cell. Where is the cell coming from? Where's the cell coming from? But that cell. Oh, you passed in a cell. Right. Passing a cell. Instance of an object. Where is this thing? Hold on. One reference. In here. It passes in each of these cells. Oh. No, tell it to. Oh, so I guess since I'm already telling it to parse out the null cells, I guess it would automatically not do. Unless it's just getting a cell that doesn't exist. Cell position. So first of all, actually, if cell if state equals null, we just want to return null, I guess. Meaning that there's no state at this position, or no cell at that position. And then I guess if it's, I guess if the cell, so if cell, well, if it's not, no, if it's, or if cell is not equal to null in the first place. Continue. So then, what is this other one? This other one was calling a few things. Oh, okay. Is it? So did that square that issue away? No, it didn't. Fuck. It's still giving me that error, so it must be trying to do this. So I guess I guess I have to put this before, so essentially, or okay, I got an idea. So let's define this. So it's gonna be cell neighbor equals cell, that's our position. If neighbor is not equal to null, we can go through. I'll go into the thing. I guess if it's equal to null, continue. And then we get to this if. And then we take the neighbor.state. And this is also the state. So that way it'll parse out the null ones before. Whoa. Oh. That's why. Let me try this instead. The other one, I'm not sure. I just want to parse out this null stuff or object reference not set. You see if I did it. There is some lag going on here. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. So this kind of works. Not sure what's going on with the FPS. That's interesting. So there's a could not parse cell or invalid cell found search for. Okay. It's some of the new code, I think. 21, 72, 73. So it so it got called from CellGrid. CellGrid called 21. It called Get Living Cell Neighbors, which called 72 called Cell Acquisition, right? So it was calling this, and then at 63 was it gave us this because at the cell acquisition. Well, I told it that if it was null, it would turn a null though. Hmm. Oh wait, I already have it checking for null. Actually, well, right. So this actually ends up being a completely bogus thing because that's just misleading at that point. So this kind of technically works. I just don't know why it's so laggy. I mean, there's a bajillion. I guess there's a lot of operations happening at once. Um, once I remove that, I should say. I think. I mean, like it kind of works. I think it runs at like 2 FPS, if even. Um, the frameage is not good here. This is interesting. I mean, I don't know what I'm looking at here. No, there is something happening, so it looks like it's somewhat working, but it is laggy as shit. You know, like you see things changing, so it does work. It's just hella fucking laggy. Like, there's another frame that happened, so I think this is technically complete. It's just hella laggy. Hmm. I'm not sure why it's so laggy. But I mean, this is complete. I'm not putting it down in the description because I can't be fucked to do that. So, you know, that's kind of how it is. But yeah, there's kind of Conway's game in life. It's laggy as all balls. Probably somewhere in my code is just performing a bunch of operations it doesn't need to. I can't be fucked to figure it out though. But I mean, you saw it. It was more or less working. But yeah, that's Conway's game in life in 3D. Hope y'all enjoyed.